Number 1. Step into the world of muscle car legends with this 1968 Ford Mustang Premium Coupe, listed for $7,800 in San Antonio, Texas. Showing 58,000 miles and carrying a clean title, this classic boasts a robust engine paired with a standard transmission, both in excellent running condition. Its eye-catching red exterior contrasts with a distinctive pink interior, offering a bold foundation for restoration or customization. Perfect for Mustang enthusiasts, this model embodies the iconic style and performance that have defined the Mustang legacy since its debut in the 1960s. Number 2. Embark on a journey to revive a legend with this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $7,500 in Hammond, Louisiana. Equipped with a classic straight-six engine and an original-style black interior, this Mustang exudes vintage charm. While it's not currently running, the clean body with minimal rust provides a solid foundation for restoration or customization. Renowned for its timeless design and cultural significance, the 1966 Mustang is a must-have for car show enthusiasts or anyone eager to own a piece of automotive history. Number 3. Unleash your creativity with this 1973 Buick Apollo, priced at $6,500 in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. Sharing its design lineage with the Chevy Nova, it features a robust 430 engine, automatic transmission, and upgrades like new disc brakes and a radiator. With a solid frame and fresh paint needing only sanding and buffing, it's an ideal starting point for a custom build. While the heater core needs replacing, the Apollo's distinctive style makes it a standout classic ready for your collection. Number 4. Own a piece of 80s performance with this 1985 Toyota Supra hatchback coupe, listed for $7,000 in Missouri City, Texas. With a clean title and 164,550 miles, this running vintage sports car offers an automatic transmission and low mileage for its age. While the AC blower requires repair, it remains a solid choice for collectors or enthusiasts of 1980s Japanese performance cars. The Toyota Supra from this era is celebrated for its style and driving experience, making it a desirable addition to any classic car collection. Number 5. Get started on your next project with this 1971 Ford Maverick, priced at $5,000 in Alice, Texas. With a clean title and no significant damage, this car features a blue exterior and matching interior, providing a solid foundation for restoration or customization. It's an affordable option for classic car enthusiasts looking to invest in a reliable project car. The 1971 Maverick is a great choice for those wanting a vintage Ford with plenty of potential for upgrades and a unique personal touch. Number 6. Revitalize a classic with this 1982 Ford F-150 XLT regular cab, listed for $6,000 in Dublin, Texas. With an estimated 140,000 miles, this barn-kept truck boasts a rebuilt transmission and solid engine, offering a strong base for restoration. While it requires minor cosmetic and gasket work, its striking blue-on-blue color scheme adds a stylish flair. This vintage Ford F-150 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a project truck with plenty of potential for customization and restoration. Number 7. Grab a budget-friendly project with this 1965 Chevrolet Bel Air, listed for $20,500 in Mount Washington, Kentucky. Although it hasn't run in a couple of years, it was driving when parked and comes with a clean title. To bring it back to life, it requires towing, new tires, a battery, and fuel. This classic American sedan is an ideal restoration opportunity for enthusiasts looking to revive an iconic vehicle at an affordable price. The 1965 Bel Air is a timeless piece of Chevrolet history, perfect for a project car with great potential. Number 8. Step into classic style with this 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass, listed for $4,000 in Houston, Texas. With 96,000 miles, it boasts a vibrant red exterior and a tan interior, offering vintage appeal as is. While the seller has included technical details, this Cutlass is a solid platform for restoration or customization. Whether you're a fan of the Oldsmobile brand or seeking a unique project, this car provides the perfect foundation for your next build. The 1978 Cutlass combines classic design with great potential for car enthusiasts looking to bring it back to life. Number 9. Cruise in style with this 1977 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $5,000 in Walhalla, South Carolina. With only 79,000 miles, this rust-free, numbers-matching classic features the original paint and a powerful 400 engine with dual exhaust. Upgraded with modern 18-inch rims, it's a stylish cruiser that needs a brake bleed to restore its soft braking performance. This Thunderbird offers comfort and flair, making it a great driver or potential show car for those looking to own a piece of vintage Ford elegance. Number 10. Take on the road with this 1977 Chevrolet 1500 long bed, listed for $4,500 in Pryor, Oklahoma. Featuring a fresh turbo 350 transmission and numerous new parts, including an Edelbrock carburetor, alternator, and LED headlights, this classic truck runs smoothly with excellent steering and minimal body imperfections. While it's road-ready, it could benefit from new shocks. Whether you're looking for a vintage workhorse or a solid restoration project, this Chevy C10 offers great potential for enthusiasts seeking a durable, reliable classic. Number 11. Discover a low-mileage gem with this 1983 Pontiac Phoenix, listed for $3,750 in Dumas, Arkansas. With only 59,000 miles, this well-preserved compact classic features a clean gray-on-gray color scheme, a smooth-running V6 engine, and an automatic transmission. The car drives excellently, and while it needs a new headliner, the paint and interior remain in outstanding condition. This Pontiac Phoenix is an ideal candidate for light restoration or as a collector's piece, offering both vintage charm and reliability for enthusiasts seeking a classic with great potential. Number 12. Cruise in style with this 1966 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $6,000 in Liberty, Texas. Powered by its original 352 V8 engine with low mileage and an automatic transmission, this classic sedan features a white exterior, blue interior, and aftermarket rims. The car runs and drives smoothly and comes with current tags and a clean title. Whether you're looking to enjoy a timeless full-size sedan as is or embark on a restoration project, this Galaxy 500 offers vintage appeal and plenty of potential for classic car enthusiasts. Number 13. Make a statement with this 1985 Chevrolet 1500 short bed, listed for $7,500 in Dallas, Texas. Featuring a 305 engine paired with a fuel injection kit, a new AC compressor, and a digital dashboard, this truck runs and drives smoothly, though it's been sitting for a year and could use a fresh coat of paint. With power windows, door locks, and a new interior, this modernized classic offers both style and comfort, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to own a vintage truck with contemporary upgrades. Number 14. Drive into the world of classic versatility with this 1984 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $5,000 in Cypress, Texas. With 130,000 miles on the clock, this coupe utility is still a reliable daily driver, featuring an automatic transmission and a sleek gray exterior with a black interior. Offered on a cash-only basis, it's a solid choice for enthusiasts looking for a functional project car that blends utility and classic style. This El Camino combines practicality with vintage appeal, making it an excellent option for anyone wanting a dependable yet customizable classic. Number 15. Own a piece of vintage Americana with this 1963 AMC Rambler, listed for $4,200 in Louisville, Kentucky. With just 52,000 miles, this clean and straightforward sedan is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed transmission. In solid condition with no significant issues and a clean title, it's an affordable option for anyone seeking a classic car with charm and potential. Whether you're looking to restore it or enjoy it for weekend drives, this Rambler offers a delightful slice of American automotive history. Number 16. Find a rare classic with this 1980 Chevrolet El Sport short bed, listed for $7,500 in Gastonia, North Carolina. With just 15,783 miles, this gem features a manual transmission, a clean red exterior, and a tan interior. Retaining its original charm, it has only had a single repaint in the 1990s and still boasts functional R12 air conditioning and an immaculate interior. Though it shows minor frame rust and the clutch may need attention, it's highly drivable as is. With a clean NC title, this well-preserved El Sport is an exceptional find in today's market. Number 17. Take on a project with this 1984 Ford F-150 Super Cab long bed, listed for just $1,500 in Clinton, Oklahoma. With 138,000 miles and a reliable 5.0 engine, it starts up but may need a few minutes to warm up. Having sat since 2022, it may require carburetor work and new tires. Recent updates include a new heater core, and the AC was functional before storage. Offered as is with a clean title, this affordable classic truck has great potential for restoration or customization. A perfect option for enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly project. Number 18. Unlock the potential of this 1985 Chevrolet Camaro RS, listed for $3,700 in Bloomington, Texas. With 135,000 miles, it features a powerful 5.7-liter engine and an automatic transmission, making it a solid base for restoration or customization. The classic white exterior and gray interior add to its muscle car appeal. While it needs work, this iconic Camaro coupe is an excellent project car for enthusiasts looking to restore or personalize a piece of American automotive history. Number 19. Discover a rare find with this 1985 Volkswagen Rabbit diesel truck, listed for $3,500 in Houston, Texas. With 120,000 miles, it features a 5-speed manual transmission and retains its original engine and transmission. A barn find with matching numbers, it requires some maintenance to run but offers great potential for restoration. The charming blue exterior and white interior add character, while the clean Texas title ensures a hassle-free purchase. This complete classic is ready for its next chapter, making it an excellent project for Volkswagen enthusiasts. Bring a trailer and take home this unique piece of automotive history. Number 20. For just $1,000 cash in Gainesville, Georgia, this 1975 Plymouth Valiant offers a great project opportunity. With only 32,000 miles and being a one-owner car, it's a rare find. Though it's been sitting since the early 90s, it now runs and yard drives. To become road-ready, it needs new tires, a tune-up, and some fuel system work. The white exterior and green interior provide a classic look, making this budget-friendly sedan perfect for a vintage car enthusiast looking to take on a restoration challenge.